Horizon Zero Dawn is a post-apocalyptic RPG based thousands of years in the future, which is played in the perspective of a girl named Aloy as you work towards understanding her origins. Today we're going to learn how to play the game as we take down one of the many enemies in the game. The controls consist of X, which is jump, square, which is slide or crouch, and circle, which is dodge. R1 is light melee, R2 is heavy melee, L1 reveals the weapon wheel, which we'll explore further, and L2 aims Aloy's weapon. These are the basics which will allow you to pull off more complex movesets. So let's find an enemy. So the enemy that we're going to fight is the Thunderjaw, which is the largest robotic in the game. The ideal game plan is to sneak up to get the first hit on the enemy. This will allow you to catch the creature off guard. Now that we're in a good position, Aloy uses her focus to toggle with L3 to see the Thunderjaw's weakness. The Thunderjaw is weak to explosives, so we use the weapon wheel to pick a weapon that dispatches explosives. Now that we've engaged in combat, we need to ensure that we're diligent in dodging the Thunderjaw's attacks. The constant movement prevents the robot from damaging Aloy. As the battle continues, we ensure that we use a plethora of weapons such as arrows that do more damage to armor and bombs that paralyze, increase damage and inflict lasting effects. Not only can we use the many weapons Aloy uses, we can also pick up guns that have fallen from beasts. These weapons are much more powerful than the assets Aloy uses usually, so be sure to make every shot count. As you fight, be sure to take in your surroundings as other enemies may decide to join in on the fight. So as long as you make sure you dodge and make every hit count, you will win. Once the fight is over, be sure to loot the scraps of the robot you have destroyed, as these items can be sold and used for crafting in the HUD. To access the HUD, press the touchpad, which will show you such categories as crafting, map, skills, inventory, notebook, and quests. All these tabs supply us with ways to improve the gameplay and will allow you to get a better understanding, so be sure to explore. So this has been a quick view on how to play Horizon Zero Dawn on PlayStation 4. This is only the tip of the iceberg, so be sure to explore and find many secrets throughout the game.